Chomsky normal form. This is one of the types of context free grammar, and this is a format of CNF. Either right hand side we are having two non-terminal, otherwise only one terminal. So this is standard format introduced by Chomsky, and this is a problem. Convert the grammar G into CNF. So this is a given problem. First, we have to ensure whether we are having useless symbol, we are having unit productions, we are having epsilon productions. The given grammar, we have to eliminate all those things. Then only we will convert in CNF format. So eliminating useless symbol and the unit productions epsilon already we discussed. So we know how to remove unit productions as well as useless and epsilon. Okay. So here this is example problems. Here you see first whether is it CNF or not. Okay, definitely not. Yes. Here 3 variable, 2 variable, 1 variable also. So here only is there. A tends to A or B tends to B. So other are difference only. So this is one terminal, one non-terminal, one terminal, non-terminal. So not in the CNF, we know. So first check which productions derives single terminal. So you see here S tends to here 2, S tends to here also 2 variables, that is a non-terminal as well as terminal. Here only we are having A tends to A and B tends to B. First you take these two production rules. Here you can introduce the new variables for A as well as B. Okay. So because of we need to set either two non-terminal, otherwise we can set only one terminal. So that's why first you have to replace, we have to introduce the new variables. Simply I am taking A1 or B1, whatever you want you can take it. Simply I am giving the name for convenient purpose. Simple A, I just replacing by capital letter A1. The same thing, the B is replaced by small b is replaced by b1, that is we are introducing the variables. Okay, so it will give the same meaning only, it does not change, it does not change the entire language if you are introducing the one more variables. Okay, so after applying we can understand. So first we can substitute a1 and b1 for a and b because we are deriving only, just replacing, that's all. Okay, so now you substitute instead of a and b wherever available here a1 and b1. So now we can substitute S tends to, because we are having B. So B is replaced by B1. So that's why B1A. Then like that S tends to, here instead of A we can use A1B. Then again you are applying A implies, instead of B we can apply B1AA. Then B implies, sorry, A implies A1, yes, as it is you can write here. Here no need to change, A tends to A as it is. Then you have to write B, B tends to, instead of A we can introduce, already introduced A1, then B, B. Then again B tends to B, yes, instead of B we can use B1 also. Then B as it is. So B tends to B, that is 8 productions. Okay. So again we have to ensure whether still is it in CNF format. I think 1, 2, 4, 5 and 7, 8 also there, but 3 and 6 not in CNF format. So here we are having 3 variables. Here we are also having 3 variables. So we have to replace. Again, we can introduce one more variable. Instead of A, you can introduce new variables. I'm simply giving B2, A2 like this. So this is maybe B2, this is maybe A2. Okay. Yeah. Now we check all these productions. Is it in CNF format. If it is not, again introduce the new variables. Instead of AA, I am giving A2. Instead of B2, I am giving BB, I am giving B2. So now it is replaced. Okay. So now you check, replace the third equation by A implies B1, A2 and B implies, replace 6, B implies A1, B2. Finally, how to ensure all must be in CNF format. So this is a way of solving the problems. First, you have to ensure is it in CNF format. Otherwise, we have to check, we have to eliminate epsilon productions, useless symbols and unit production. Finally, we can introduce the variables wherever it is appropriate places, then we can replace it. Especially we can apply the substitutions rules, that's all. We can introduce the variables and we can apply the substitution rules, then we will get into the CNF format. Thank you.